Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to unsuspend your account on Twitter. The steps are very easy and simple, so let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the Google Chrome or the Chrome that you are using. Once you are in here, you have to go on the search bar and here you have to search for the Twitter login. Now you have to go in the login to Twitter and wait for it open. Now once you are in here, you have to option when you sign up with Google and continue with Apple. It depends on you. Once you choose your account, you are in the homepage of the Twitter. Now you have to click on this three bar and make sure to log in your account. Once you are logged in your account in the background, you have to go on the Twitter help. Here you have to go on the Twitter help center. Now you have to select a topic, you have to go on the logged and issues, and here you have to describe your issue. So this is how you can unsuspend your account on Twitter.